Are you afraid to answer your phone in public? Well, Debs, I'm not so afraid. My phone, exhibition number one, it's a smartphone, Nokia. Look at it, it looks like a BlackBerry. Don't be fooled, Facebook. I'm not afraid to answer my phone, Deborah.
Well, I have another version of the Nokia. It's a Nokia 2330. You can access Facebook, it has camera, and I'm not afraid to answer it in public.
Barry? Barry, where's your phone?
I want them to don't stop loading me up,
Barry?
Well, people, there's nothing wrong with my phone. My phone is a very, what do you call it? It's an antique.
Yes,
right?
It's antique.
This is the phone that our forefathers
grew up on.
Yeah, Nani of the Maroon, Louis Bennett, Foundation found it.
Yes.
A great person once told me, you never know where you're going
until you know where you've been. From. Yes.
And it's because I value my history.
Yes, well said.
I walk with
Come
this
out to the phone.
See it here. Don't share my
gasp!
Yes. Look at it.
Wow. Where's the camera?
It's zoom. The people that I did this to them zoom.
They have to attach it to it, don't?
Yeah, I have BB, people ping me and
get
stuff
some
like
tape and some glue and just tape on the camera to the top.
I don't really answer it in public though because it's kind of embarrassing.
Why?
I do. Ring the phone.
It's foundation phone.
Ring the phone. Ring the phone.
And we're waiting on it.
No, come on now, man. You could have really picture me going somewhere. I call it TGIF. Our code is, I'm a phone, I ring somebody. No.
Oh no.
Don't do it. Cut it out, cut it out, cut it
I
out.
feel your pain, bro. I feel your pain.
Yeah,
really.
so I do really answer it. It's not really say I can't afford a better phone. Yeah, I really because of that.
Yeah. But seriously, it's a foundation. You know what's the coolest thing about that Nokia? You remember the snake game? I remember the days when I thought color screen phone was that blue, when it have blue light on it.
Blue light, right?
That blue light and yellow light.
You know what I used to love? Because now, back in high school, I never know that phones would have evolved to the point where you can actually receive message up on Facebook,
internet,
all them something there. Because back in the day, remember when you want a song, you'd have to go in to something I call themselves and them give some code. Oh, and it's not even the actual song I play, it's a tone like just a
polyphonic ring. That's
yeah, it playing at the same beat and you have to find out them something there.
You don't get the words. I remember I had the most difficulty trying to get a hot song because my first phone was a 3310.
I used to compose my own
and I had to go in and compose. I'm like, shit, you have to know to write music to get like, don't even say. It's because me not have a BlackBerry, I can talk. It's one big fad.
I mean, I like BlackBerry, but I definitely say Nokia Foundation. I think I've had more Nokia phones than any other brand of phone because they're strong. Especially the Nokia 3310.
This phone originally has a
remember them days where
a
3310 used to drop on the ground, I'll drop something and
drop in a water and you're good to go.
This phone is a superhero. It should have a cape on its back. It never dies. This phone has fallen because I can't see the chip them on the side and a scratch on the back. My God.
Yeah, but
it needs kryptonite for it to die.
Sharp now. apart from all of that, apart from all of that, what do you think the whole why it's so important for like a young person, a teenager, to have a BlackBerry now? Why the whole craze over it?
Because everybody has one.
You know what I hate?
Hitting?
No, wait man. Deborah probably relate to. When you go to people and you become somebody and the first time come and ask you.
Oh, what's your pin?
They never ask you if a BlackBerry first,
They expect you to have one, that's the thing.
I had
peer pressure.
Yeah, I am on Facebook all day and I'm talking to somebody. And for the people them come and ask and say, alright then, you have a BlackBerry or something like that. Where you pin? You know so me just sign out same time. I save myself all them embarrassment there. But I guess when them watch them and find out says this my app.
Oh no.
That's that. I probably eventually a time will come where I get more on a BlackBerry and stuff. But we not really run it down. It will come.
He'll probably get it too late. Them time the people gone to like one next brand phone.
That's the thing. Anytime I get a hot phone, it's always
like a Cherry or something like that. I don't know.
Probably jump up with the iPhone or something like that.
Yeah, but I think the one thing the BlackBerry has is the fact that you can pay for your service and pin. You can pin people.
Yeah,
and BlackBerry people never have credit. You know BlackBerry people
don't
credit? No. They love freeness, so they're like, oh, what's a pin? Because they're not buying credit.
The sick thing with me, if I get a BlackBerry now, most of the people who I want to talk to do not have a BlackBerry.
Exactly.
So, when I still have there,
you have to get hotter friends. Them friends away you have, just dump them.
Right.
Alright then.
Yeah,
well,
I'm the first one to go.
Oh
yeah,
no.
and Deborah, you
Me
know.
second.
So we up on Facebook, Theodore, Mindy, all of the people there. Yeah, they got
Mistake.
Yeah.
yeah, me can-
Jovi have a.
Alright.
yeah, all them people there. So, well, yeah, that's it, don't it?
Yeah, that's just about it. We're not bashing Blackberries, it's just that we bad mind look how we
And big up Nokia and all the people them who can
Yes.
comment and come diss up my phone.
Right?
Big up.
I love this phone.
Very
You
much.
see?
3.2 megapixels. Take it in, people. Take it in.
And this
Awesome.
is
Yeah.
1.5 megapixels.
with a crack screen.
With a
Right.
crack screen.
With a
Oh
crack
my
screen.
So
god.
awesome.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Well,
It even has a secret code, right?
yeah. So Facebook, that's it for today's Dirty Berry show.
Yep.
See you next time. Them to not tell people them hi.
Bye.
Yeah.
Ta-da-da-da.
So if I touch it.
I was